So good day guys, today we'll be talking about chain rule. I will be giving you the formula for chain rule and then giving you a shortcut on how to solve questions that are related to chain rule. Now the first thing you have to note is that whenever you are solving chain rule, we are solving an equation with a power. So whenever you are seeing a power and they ask you to find the derivative of such function, you have to use the chain rule. Now the chain rule goes to says the y over the x is equals to the u over the x to multiply the y over the u. So this is our formula for the chain rule. So how do we apply this formula to solving chain rule? Now the first thing is to make what is inside the bracket u. So our u now will be equal to 3x squared plus 4, and then if I'm going to differentiate this, I'll be having my du over dx to be equal to 6x. After getting that, then don't forget my y now will now be equal to u squared. Yes, because I've made what is inside the bracket u. Then my dy over du will now be equal to 2u. So after getting this, I will now multiply these two answers, because according to the chain rule, it says I should multiply du over dx to multiply my dy over du. So I'm going to rub up this and get more space. Okay, good. So therefore my dy over the x now will be equal to the u over dx to multiply dy over du, which is 6x to multiply 2u, and eventually I'm going to get 12x. But in the question they did not give us anything like x, like u, so we have to bring in what we have as u back. So our u is equals to 3x plus 4. These are our final answer. So let's take note of that. So that's how to solve questions under chain rule. But don't forget, I promise that we are going to solve a short formula, like a shortcut in getting our answer. So how do we get the same formula using that shortcut? So let's move on. It's actually very easy and straightforward. Our dy over dx will be equal to, first thing, I will just take what is inside the bracket as a single unit, assuming I'm having x raised to power 2. So I'm differentiating x raised to power 2. Now we're having 2x. So this would be this should just be like x. So it will be 2 to multiply this. So we have 2 open bracket 3s squared plus 4. Good. So after differentiating that, 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So it will be raised to power 1. After differentiating that, I will now multiply it with the differentiation of what I have inside the bracket. So if I differentiate what I have inside the bracket, I'll be having 6x. So if I actually expand this, 2 times 6 will give me what? 12x. And my final answer will be 12x is to provide open bracket 3x squared plus 4. Final answer. You can see we got the same answer using the chain, the normal rule, and using the shortcut. So if you are solving an objective question, I will advise you to apply the second shortcut, because it will actually save you more time. Thank you so much, guys.